Hey everyone, we can't stress enough what a major role that stress actually plays in our everyday life, yet we seldom talk about it. We find ways to just gloss over it and not really even deal with it. But in this month, April, which is Stress Awareness Month, we're going to talk about the S word. We're going to talk about its impact and how we can overcome stress in our everyday lives. Some of the impacts that we see with stress in America today are very telling. 3 out of 4 people, when they go to the doctors, it's because of stress related illnesses. Women have a higher degree of stress than men. 77% of Americans state stress negatively impacts their physical health. And stress related ailments cost the nation over $300 billion in medical bills and lost productivity. Stress has also been related to a lot of medical issues like heart disease, diabetes, asthma, obesity, gastrointestinal problems, depression, and actually accelerated aging. So the impact of stress is very, very telling. There are different things that we can do to try to overcome those things. We could share our story and actually bring awareness, which can actually help someone else in the stress that they're dealing with. Seeking professional help. That's one of the major things that people sort of think is taboo and that they feel as though that they can't really talk to anybody. But seeking professional help is something that can actually help you. Reaching out to somebody in your close circle, talking to somebody, of course, a close friend, may not want to share information with everybody, but seeking somebody close to talk about some of these issues can prove to be helpful as well. Perfecting your personal coping mechanism. We all have a unique way of how we deal with stress. And this is something that you can actually share with someone, and that can actually help them and how they potentially can deal with stress. And another thing, be kind. This is something that we really take for granted, and this is something that doesn't cost us anything at all. But during this month, let us exhibit this so that in each of our interactions, if we are kind, maybe we can help reduce someone's stress. I'm going to have more information on how stress impacts us and also different other coping mechanisms in the upcoming weeks. I just want to thank you, everybody, for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.